It's your girl, Bubbles.
And this your boy, Too Short. And we're back with another Jiffy vlog. You did. I'm her hero, so you know I had to say the day. Superman, yeah, I'm flying with the fucking cape. And now I fight everybody just to save my baby. We had to get it on our own, we had to make a way. I'm her hero, so you know I had to say the day. Superman, yeah, I'm flying with the fucking cape. And now I fight everybody just to save my baby. We had to get it on our own, we had to make a way. Every night I'm reminiscing, I'm steady on a mission. I get to catch and chase a bag, I say now I'm fishing. I got an old lady now, so they be like I'm switching. I made a promise that I'm not gonna leave her in the trenches. Hey man, go ahead and get straight to it, you know what I'm saying? Let them know what's going on.
So today we are going to be doing basically like a day in a life vlog, but today is going to consider Ryan. Come on, for real,
Come on, man.
Today is going to consider a massive grocery shopping haul because
we ain't got nothing in the crib.
Yes.
Fridge empty and the pantry.
Yes.
Empty.
Let me just show y'all how the refrigerator look. Let me show y'all how this thing look. Not too much in the comments. Not too much in the comments, because this is why we were filling the fridge. But this thing is empty.
We got some eggs.
We got some eggs, some almond milk, and I'm about to throw this stuff away.
Yeah, I don't know why she got some. Yeah,
this need to go in the garbage.
Don't mind the fridge, y'all.
Garbage.
Let me open the freezer too. Yeah.
It's empty. But yes, y'all. So today,
take them to the pantry.
Not too much in the comments now. And what is this?
Oh, I had bought me some rolls at work. I got hungry.
But yeah, y'all. So like I said, we're going to be doing a massive grocery shopping haul, and also we got to do a little bit of cleaning and
not too much. You know, I just got to split the house, wash the dishes. You know, ain't nothing crazy.
Yeah, not too crazy because the house is already clean. And also I want to do I want to cook dinner on the camera for you guys. I'm probably gonna cook like you want something?
Man, we don't know what we gonna eat, y'all. Y'all just find out whenever dinner time come. But yeah, we might just cook us something on dinner time.
Who is we?
You.
Oh, but yeah. So when we get in the store, we're gonna think of what we want to eat for dinner, and I'm gonna cook that on camera for you guys. But that's what today is going to consist of. So stay
tuned. You know. And
continue watching the video, whole video.
Show love to the video, subscribe to the channel, and give this video a like if you haven't already. All right, y'all, we done made it to Wally World. We done made it to Wally World, y'all. So
this is what we doing our shopping at Walmart.
Yeah, we finna go on here, man, do what we gotta do. We ain't gonna be in and out, cause like I said, y'all, this finna be a massive grocery shopping. So we got a lot of stuff that we gonna get. Brianna normally she make a list.
Yeah, but today I didn't.
So we finna go ahead and just freestyle. So y'all know how that go. We ain't finna try to go too crazy, cause when you ain't got no list, you just start grabbing stuff that your eyes or that your stomach say you want, but you don't really want it. You don't really need it. So hopefully we won't do too bad. But yeah, we do need to get stuff that we need. So we'll go ahead and stop it right here, and we'll catch up with y'all once we get inside. You know what aisle we going to first?
You know what aisle we going
We
to.
finna start from the front of the store and all the way go to the back of the store and then make our way back to the front of the store so we can pay for all these groceries. I'm not ready for this, y'all. I hate grocery shopping, but I love eating, so.
And we don't eat out, so that's why, that's why we do this.
Yeah, we don't eat out, and we try to make our groceries stretch us the whole month. So
that's why the refrigerator's so empty, because we literally eat everything.
Everything be gone. We won't say nothing. You know what I'm saying?
We don't waste food around here. Which tacos you want?
Get the hard and soft.
Like I got last time?
Yep.
Get this one. That box. I'm gonna get different. The box look beat up. All these boxes look beat up. Alright. Now let's get some pasta. Get the spaghetti and the peas. Y'all, protein plus.
Protein. We're trying to be a little healthy, y'all.
Yeah, so we made it to the seasoning aisle. I need slap your mama. I'm gonna get that big thing all the way up there.
Slap your mama?
Yep. You got it? Don't fall though. But yes, that's what I season my food with. Slap your mama. Yes.
Mama! Mama!
Why you just slap me? Anyways, I also need some onion powder. Just get the great value one.
Onion powder. Alright.
You got the onion powder. I think that's it for the seasonings. I think.
You need some sugar?
Hold on, I gotta grab something over here. Some garlic and herb seasoning. You could get this how the buggy looking so far. We ain't done yet.
We gonna get 2 strawberries applesauce. 2 strawberries.
2 strawberries.
2 strawberries.
Put it in the buggy nicely. Should we get a thing of sugar?
It might be good on sugar.
Yeah.
Yep, good on sugar.
Yeah, so we done made it to the cereal aisle. Y'all,
I love this aisle.
They got a new cause we be getting
We be getting Sour Patch Jello.
yeah, we be getting the Sour Patch Jello, the blue kind.
Yeah, the blueberry.
But listen, they came out with a new one. We about to try this.
Starberry. We finna sit this talking about. We finna sit this talking about.
We about to get that.
You want 1 or 2?
Just get 2 because I do not see the blue one. So just get 2 of those.
Alright.
And
we need some cereal.
yes, we need cereal. Real bad.
Real bad. Go ahead and sit on the cereal options, man.
I don't know what y'all be eating on, but we eat on.
I'm finna put y'all on, man. This our cereal. You know, we eat the Frosted Flakes. You know that's number 1. You gotta have the Frosted Flakes. So let me go ahead and grab the Frosted Flakes. What we doing? Family size?
You know it.
Family size. Family size. All right, don't mind how I throw it in. I'm finna just throw it in. Right.
And he know. I got what you call that?
OCD. I got that too.
No, you don't.
Cocoa Pebbles. And then Captain Crunch.
Sometimes we used to eat on regular Fruity Pebbles, but
so what
I put him on the chocolate and he stuck to the chocolate.
So what you want? You want the regular Fruity Pebbles?
No, we could get the chocolate. We always get the chocolate.
All right, cool.
So.
We got this.
Fix that cart. No, we're not trenchy.
That is not our lingo.
Listen,
I
y'all.
want let you organize the cart. You got a certain way how you organize the cart. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, so I'm gonna organize the cart and I'm gonna show y'all how we looking so far.
Yep, we gotta get some bars too. We not there yet.
Some breakfast bars.
So what kind of bar you want? You want your regular chocolate chip?
No, I want this Lucky Charms.
You don't be eating these bars, Jay.
Yes, I do.
All right, Lucky Charms bars.
I want this one.
Captain Crunch, she not gonna eat this.
Yeah, I love Captain Crunch, so yes, I am gonna eat this.
All right.
I used to get the Lucky Charms one, and I tried the Twix one. Both of them good, but yeah, y'all, this what Ryan be eating on right here.
Oh, yeah, these my bars right here. You know, got to have that. Got to have that. Okay.
Okay, guys. So this is how the basket or the cart, whatever y'all call it.
This is how the basket looking so far.
This is how this basket looking so far. Listen, I like all the box stuff by each other and all the canned goods.
Since you did the presentation, here. Since you did the presentation.
Listen, I like all the box stuff by each other, all the canned goods and stuff by each other, and all these little bag stuff by each other.
Cause we got OCD, y'all. We like to be clean around here. I was just in the rushing. You know, I was just putting stuff in the buggy. You know, I was just putting stuff in the buggy. I wasn't really caring, you know. But yeah, y'all see. To the snack aisle we go. We'll meet you there.
In heaven, we're on the snack aisle. We made it to the snack.
This the best part. This the best part of grocery shopping right here.
We made it to the snack aisle. So, Ryan, show them what we be eating for the snacks.
Okay.
The real snacks.
Okay.
You finna pass the animal crackers.
Oh.
You know, y'all know he been eating those things up.
Gotta have the animal crackers. Put them in the cookie jar. Just one bag, or we're gonna double it. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna double it.
You know we had to double it.
You know we're gonna double it.
He the one who be eating all those animal crackers up.
Okay. Come on. You ain't gotta be shy. You want the Chips Ahoy? For you want the Oreo?
Chips Ahoy. I don't like chocolate.
Oh, nope. Here we go. We got our chocolate chip cookie minis, M&Ms. All right. Yeah, all right.
Boy.
All right, you want some cheeses, babe?
No.
You don't want no cheese? Okay. Gotta go ahead and get the peanut butter crackers.
Ritz.
What are they at? No, that's cheese, babe.
He's so stupid.
Ritz. Oh, they don't got Ritz. So
right, it's right here. Slow down.
Oh, peanut butter. We're gonna get two. Cause it's 8-pack. Alright. Chips.
Get the black box.
Get the black box, 28. And then we're gonna go ahead and get the blue box. Want the blue? Yeah, I think the blue box.
They got the pink box back here. That one got 18 in it. I mean, they got the same chips inside of that.
So let's go get the blue box.
All right, get the blue. Could you reach it, midget?
I'm taller than you.
By an inch. I'm putting y'all on. This is our favorite apple juice. They also got the ones that's...
y'all right. That's the real apple juice. They got the ones that coming out the little jar.
Yeah, the little jar. But
yeah.
Look, this the apple juice that we drink. And then let me also put y'all on something.
Come on, hurry up. Put them on.
Hold on. We also...
Put them on.
That white cran strawberry.
Yeah, we getting y'all right with the cranberry.
That ocean spray. Yes. And that peach.
We getting y'all right.
Okay, now. Don't say I ain't put y'all on.
Hey, just in case they ain't see it, show them again, just in case they ain't see.
Let me get, look.
Just in case they ain't see. Alright.
Don't say I ain't put y'all on.
Alright.
Y'all, Ryan went to go get another cart because obviously we got a lot of stuff and all the stuff cannot fit in this cart. We gotta get tissue, napkins, paper towels. We gotta get all of that, all those necessities, and all that stuff plus food and freaking like meat and frozen stuff. All that is not gonna fit in here, so we gotta get another cart. Imagine how our pockets. We finna put a hole in our pockets. Just imagine how much this money. Imagine how much this groceries about to cost. But I'm waiting for him to come back because he had one up front to go get a cart. So, yeah. I've been in fiance, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top, babe. She wants your name, that Andy, yo-yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high ride, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. If I got a feeling I keep it inside my heart. And I keep up at it cause I don't lose a side. You see my diamonds. Gotta get some salmon. I don't know what y'all want cause I gotta get the perfect cut. Woo. I think I'm gonna grab this one. So we headed to the register. We're finally done. We've been in here for probably like 4 hours, but the carts is full. Y'all comment down below how much y'all think this gonna cost.
I'm scared. I'm scared, boy. Pocket's gonna be screaming.
I told them it's gonna put a hole in our pocket. But nah, y'all. So we'll see y'all when we get to the house. And also, I came on here because I don't know if I'm gonna cook tonight. We might just grab some food and call it a day, because after putting up all these groceries, we're gonna be too tired, and I'm gonna be definitely too tired to cook. So we probably just gonna grab some food, probably Zaxby's. But yeah, y'all, I'll give y'all an update on what we gonna do. Bagged up, ready to go. Let me see that
Bagged
receipt.
up. R&BNation, my pocket's hurting right now, goddamn.
Wait, where the balance at?
Where is the balance? They seen the balance clear as day?
Yeah, it's right there.
Clear as day. Clear as day. That boy hurting, boy.
Okay, y'all, so this is what we looking like. Ryan, he gonna get his stuff for the pantry, and I'm gonna get my stuff for the fridge, cause I do the like the chill area. So I do like the stuff that go inside the freezer, inside the refrigerator. So let's get to it. Shawty made that exception, don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, y'all. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on go. Got the ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on the these niggas no more. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride of babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom bed. Now you want to shoot with the bed at the bottom bed. You know I like when you're right at the top. She wants your name, that Andy Yo-Yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I feel up the
you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me. What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby, it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say what I do.
I'm tired.
Well, that girl look like a zombie. But yeah, y'all, we just came back from Zaxby's, man. We was in that line for a good little minute, man. Me and Bae tired though, man. All day we been going grocery shopping. Took about 45 hours.
I fell asleep in the line.
Yeah, it took about 45 hours, man. But we finally got our food, so let's go ahead and get straight to it so we can wrap this video up, man. Open up your plate, man.
You got the same thing.
We got the same thing. Y'all see the presentation though. No,
what?
Yeah, y'all see what's going on, man. This what we eating on tonight. This our dinner. This our dinner, man. You know? But let's go ahead and end this video, babe. So we can go ahead and go upstairs, watch some TV, and eat our food.
Ooh.
If y'all haven't already, y'all should have already liked this video. Y'all should have already subscribed to the channel. That should have been the first thing y'all did. But if y'all haven't, come on,
Make
babe.
you guys like,
hit them thumbs up,
comment,
drop that down below,
and subscribe.
ring that bell, man. R&BNation out. Peace.
Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my